Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Infinix mobile guys system setting, and video title is guys how to set up language in Infinix mobile. Friends, you want to use language settings, and how to use one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all guys subscribe this channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your device. So friends, scroll it and friends click here system setting. After on system setting friends, you can see language and input setting. So friends, click here and friends click here language setting. After on language setting friends, you don't have any language, so friends click here other language setting and get which language you want to know, also friends which language you want to use, and friends you know about very well. So we select your language type: Marathi language, Hindi language, Punjabi language, Gujarati language. And this language friends I don't know about, so friends I will not add. And friends you want to add Urdu language, so you can add Urdu language from here. So friends click here Hindi language. So friends I will add only Hindi language, and friends you want to add Hindi language, you want to use Hindi language, friends click here apply change. Language will add, and friends Hindi language will set in Infinix mobile, and friends you can use Infinix mobile English language or Hindi language. Mirror phone, Wi-Fi, hotspot setting, vibration setting, display brightness setting, theme lock screen setting, memory setting, app management setting, kids mode, power setting, lab setting, special function setting, system setting. So guys, phone language is Hindi, and once you want to use English language, and once you want to change your phone language Hindi to English, so open your phone setting. After phone setting friends, click here last option system setting. After system setting friends, click here language setting. Again click here language setting, and then select your English language and change into Hindi to English, and friends you can check language will change Hindi to English. My phone, Wi-Fi setting, hotspot setting, more connection, storage setting, notification setting, privacy setting, location setting. And friends you want to remove language, which language you have added, click here three dot remove option, select language, and friends you can remove language from here. Click here remove and you can remove. Friends, I don't want to remove. So like that friends, you can use Infinix mobile phone language full setting. So I hope friends you understood how to set up language, how to change the language in Infinix mobile. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.